Sonam Wangchuk's Life Matters slogans after Dharmendra Pradhan quit calls. Focus has now shifted to health status of India's one of the most famous innovators.
धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को इस्तीफा देना होगा। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को इस्तीफा देना होगा। इस्तीफा तुमको देना होगा। शिक्षा व्यवस्था ठीक करो।
He looks weak, frail, but unbowed, sitting on a hunger strike in the heart of Delhi. Wangchuk is starving from last 19 days. Many are requesting him to end his strike, and his fellow protesters from the Cockroach Janata Party are assuring him that they will take this movement to next level. But he has denied all the requests.
तो अगर मैं खा भी लूं तो उससे क्या बदलेगा और क्या संदेश जाएगा? सरकार को तो यही संदेश जाएगा कि जवाबदेही की जरूरत नहीं है, वो बैठ जाते हैं, वो चले जाते हैं। और दूसरी बात, मेरी हालत कुछ ऐसी भी नहीं है कि मैं 2-4 दिन में मर जाऊं।
What helps Wangchuk to muster courage to take up such Herculean tasks? Many say that this protest is for a cause, but there is a deeper, untold and personal story involved. Decades ago, a child struggled, faced the dark realities of education system. After spending the first 9 years of his life in a village that had no schools, the treacherous, high-altitude, cold terrain and mother were this child's first teachers. When this boy went to Srinagar for schooling, he did not understand the language. He struggled, remained silent. But his silence was mistaken for his lack of intelligence. The boy understood the flaws, the judgment students face because of their language background, and not everyone is treated in the same manner. When this boy's father joined public life, he moved to Delhi for his studies. Then he completed his mechanical engineering degree from the National Institute of Technology, Srinagar. With sheer hard work and determination, this boy's story became something that continues to inspire people across the country, thanks to blockbuster movie Three Idiots and its lead character Phunsukh Wangdu, played by Aamir Khan. The tales of Sonam Wangchuk's experiences, his sufferings, the struggles made him reach a conviction. The seeds of the reforms were sown. The students' educational and cultural movement of Ladakh, founded by Sonam and the people who called themselves victims of an alien education system. The foundation is well known for its work to take the region's education system to new heights. This Ladakhi man represented India on global stages, won the prestigious Raman Magsaysay Award, and helped the Indian Army with his innovations. The achievements cannot be described in one video. But where does Wangchuk stand today? These are the scenes from Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Youngsters, senior citizens, men, women, children. Everyone is protesting. There is a police cover all across the place. In fact, the police themselves have their own camera persons monitoring who is saying what. On the main stage lies a person visibly weak, not speaking much. Doctors come every day and check his vitals. He has lost around 8 to 9 kg, but he is not stepping back at all. The main pillar of this protest is not Abhijit Dipke or Cockroach Janata Party. It is Sonam Wangchuk. His silence has given the required voice to this movement. The Delhi court has intervened and directed the centre to do whatever it takes to save Sonam Wangchuk's life. Protests are not new for him. Hunger strike is not new for him. He has done it earlier as well, and he still firmly says that he will not stop.
अगर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा नहीं होता है तो कांग्रेस जनता पार्टी का अगला स्टेप क्या है?
हम लोग सच बताएं तो अभी ये सोचे ही नहीं है कि अगर नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, क्योंकि हम लोग यही सोचे हैं कि उसको इस्तीफा देना ही पड़ेगा और वो देंगे। निगेटिव सोचे ही नहीं है, दूसरा निगेटिव वाला ऑप्शन।
आप बता रहे हैं कि 26-27 को राहुल गांधी यहाँ पर आने वाले हैं।
हाँ, ऐसा सुनने में आ रहा है, और अगर सुनने में आ रहा है तो वो अच्छे नेता हैं, विचारधारा उनके पिछले कुछ सालों से एक बहुत राइट वे पे चल रही है, तो उम्मीद करते हैं वो आएंगे, और सुनने में भी आया है।
सरकार अभी राजशाही है, राजा है बैठा हुआ, वो सुन रहा है नहीं।
क्या आप लोगों को चिंता है उनके स्वास्थ्य की?
हाँ, हम लोग को बिल्कुल चिंता है कि उसकी तबीयत बिगड़ती जा रही है और इसका वजन भी काफी कम हो गए हैं, सर का 8 kg कम हो गए हैं, हम लोग को बहुत चिंता है।
His strike has created significant buzz, but the harder question is what the Cockroach Janata Party does with it. The weight cannot rest on one starving man. During protests, Wangchuk directly asked supporters to join him in an interim fast, only for Dipke to contradict him. On another day, a visibly frustrated Wangchuk had to ask the gathering to stop munching snacks in front of him. Now, many observers have criticized the Cockroach Janata Party and the core members of Dipke's team for it. Just like people from across the country, they also stand in solidarity with Sonam. But is it really enough? On the fight against the government, there has not been anyone coming forward for dialogue. Leaders from opposition parties, some renowned faces from the film and TV industry, and even comedians have shown support to Wangchuk. But there is no dialogue from the government's side. The monsoon session will start soon, and the so-called cockroaches have planned a march towards the parliament. Surely Sonam Wangchuk's name will echo in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. But the big question is, will there be a positive change for the education system of India?
अनशन तोड़ने को कहने के बजाय मैं आप लोगों से विनती करूंगा कि आप भी एक छोटा कदम उठाएं। 20 जुलाई को इतनी बड़ी संख्या में आएं कि एक संदेश सरकार को जाए, और मैं तो कहूँगा उस दिन सारे स्कूलों, कॉलेजों, विश्वविद्यालयों से कि वो उसे एक्सपीरियंशियल एजुकेशन का दिन मनाएं, NEP के अंतर्गत, न्यू पॉलिसी ऑन एजुकेशन के अंतर्गत, क्योंकि उस दिन बच्चे अभ्यास कर पाएंगे पॉलिटिकल साइंस का एक अनोखा लेसन, जो कि इतिहास का हिस्सा होगा, जिसमें वो खुद शिरकत हो पाएंगे और सीख पाएंगे कैसे लोकतंत्र चलता है जनता की ओर से भी। तो 20 जुलाई को बहुत से सांसदों के साथ आप सब आइए, हजारों की संख्या में हम सब मिलके इस मुद्दे को संसद के हवाले करेंगे, तो मुझे भी भरोसा होगा कि अब ये सही हाथों में गया है।